For number 19, I'm converting the polar equation into rectangular form, and I have r is equal to -3 here. So I'm going to replace r with square root of x squared plus y squared. So this will be square root of x squared plus y squared is equal to -3. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is square both sides. So I have x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. And this will be my final answer. And if you just remember from previous math courses that you may have had, this is actually the equation of a circle. So in rectangular form, to declare a circle, it's a lot more complicated. You have to say x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. But in polar form, it's a lot easier to talk about a circle. You just say r is equal to some number, or in this case, -3. But again, for this problem, this will be our equivalent rectangular form.